Check mo ng maigi ah.
Hello! Siyempre, mahirap gumawa ng ano butol, pare.
Dumi.
Messi.
Girls. Grabe ang dumi. Ayan pa. Pag break pad siya, ayusin mo na. Break pad? Pwede nga.
Wala, ayan o, nipis na o, wala na o.
Brake pads yung problema. 1,000 to? Oh my God, so expensive.
Times 2!
Kuya, pwedeng likod lang naman, di ba? Ano ba't ganun sinabi mo?
One five, there's 20!
Excuse me, okay pa yung rotor ko.
Asa yung preno?
Mm.
Ay. Meron pa kaya nito?
Lang.
Replacement! 250, no discount!
Oh, excuse me, 20% off. Giant to, oh.
Generic!
Excuse me, generic. Ano yan? Branded yan. Wait lang yan.
Aray ko, kamay ko.
Okay, ganun rin yun.
Yeah, aray ko. Matsakit to. You have to luwang-luwang the caliper. Press the piston inside.
Piston?
Yes, this is piston. This one.
What's this toast called?
This is for pizza pie. Did you use it?
No, what's that
Yeah.
tools? Anong klaseng tools yan?
This is for lagay-lagay pagitan ng brakes. Lagay luwag-luwag na butas. Lagyan mo din. You see?
Brake pad 250, 1 week only.
Only.
Ano? Chris?
1 week only.
Brake pads? 1 week only? Hindi ako magbe-brake, sorry. Nilaglag mo. Wala kang kwentang mekaniko.
Kulong-kulong na yan pa.
Ayan o.
Ano pa isa?
Pag nawalan yan, bayaran mo yan.
Isa pa,
Sige
isa pa.
ka.
Hanap ka pa ng isa.
Hala kuya, ayun o. Ayun o. Ano?
Kalimutan ko pa nakalagay. But you have to clean the surface.
Bakit mo nilagyan ng alcohol? Baka mag ano yan.
Ay, nakalinis yun.
Kasi may ganun siya ya oh. May creaking sound. Ano yan?
Oh, this is a foam. Can you get the...
Huy! Para ba sa rotor yan?
Can you get the... What do you call this?
Anong tawag dyan?
The shape?
Anong tawag dyan?
Foam.
Huh?
It's used for mustache.
Specialist pack acting degrazer? Naku, good luck sa akin. So, mawawala na yung sound niya.
Yes.
Sure ka?
Oh, sure. No brakes, no sounds.
No brakes, no sound. Pero patay.
Oh.
Ano yun?
Naiipit.
Labor, baka with fees.
Oh.
Labor free of charge. Magkano labor?
Baka huwag mo muna tapusin.
Oh, mamaya.
Nako, bilisan mo na at marami tayong gagawin.
Yan yung brake pads.
Here, new brake pads. Pakita mo. New brake pads. Pakita mo dito.
This brake pads
New brake pads.
sponsored by Giant.
Sponsored by Giant, Bekinemen.
OEN.
Hala, parang hindi yan niya. Yan ba yung kailangan natin?
I don't care. Just put it.
Wow!
Wow.
Wow! Oh la la!
Oh, sa metal
Wait,
compound.
wait. Huwag mong hawakan. Oh la la!
Macau! Oh,
Bekelemen, Macau!
Oh my God.
Oh my God, what happened?
It's too big.
Kuya, patingin. Dito ba?
Oh.
Wow, oh la la. Wait. Oh la la, new brake pad. Wow. That's the reason why there's squeaking sound.
Voila!
Because the brake pad is already manipis. Oh la la. Talagang hindi talaga ako komportable pag may creaking sound yan.
Milk tea!
Milk tea lang? Milk tea lang pala eh. No problem. Baka naman milk tea.
Voila!
Sige nga ya. Ulitin mo. Oh lala! Wala na yung creaking sound. Wow! Yahoo! Baka naman, Abid. Becky naman. Sponsor naman ng brake pads diyan, boss. Becky naman. Yeah, check mo din, Corp. Yeah. Yung pa-backward yan na ano ya? Yeah, yung pa-backward. Kasi doon kagabi yun eh. Oh, lala! Wow, wala nang sound.
Sirauro ka!
Dahil lang pala sa brake pads.
Tubig din, oras ka mo.
Baka natira. Pulsus.
Mariose.
Wala. How many months will it take?
It takes how many years to show right?
12 years.
12 years?
Oh, my bike? No, not 12 years. 9 years.
9 years?
Yeah.
Another 9 years.
Oh my God! Oh la la! Huh?
No future.
Let me try. Oh la la! Yeah! Testing mo na yung fork. Ano yan? Tunog na yaman?
The old one. You can use it. Video, please.
Huh?
Video.
Okay.
Your old one.
Okay.
You can use it.
I can use that?
Yes.
Old one?
Buy a necklace. Make it and that. And bury it.
Thank you. Ito na yung old. Sobrang nipis na. 11 years old brake pads. Kuya kasi masyado nang malambot siya. Baka you need to check the air.
Hindi naman nagpipreno sa harap eh.
Oo, man. Yeah, pag-check ng air. 130 daw yung nilagay ni Uping dyan eh. Hindi normal yun eh. Diba?
Wala nga eh kasi
130 is not normal, kuya. Sira. Another 1,000? Huh? Another 1,000 pesos? We'll check also the,
Kaso lang,
The-
there's no parts available.
ano yung i-check
You have to
natin,
close
yung,
the garbage.
yung air ng pork. Ikinipakita mo dito.
Oh?
Ilan?
Wala sa Misinaw. It's 130.
130? That's normal? Are you sure?
You know why?
Matatams
You're-
down tayo nito.
You know why?
Why?
You are heavy. So we have to use that 20% salt.
So that's my mechanic.
Depends to your
Sirani ko.
weight.
It's depend on my weight. Oh, I'm only 70 kilos.
Pounds.
Pounds and pounds.
Oh. It indicates here. Ano? 72 kilos?
Yeah.
Oh.
70.
70
Wait,
kilos.
wait.
In the boundary of 63 and 72 kilos, you should be is 140 to 160 PSI.
Oh, so that's ano
You
na.
know that?
Okay, good. So, it's finished? Huh? Done? Ate, early, very early in the morning, 250 pesos. Sponsor? Ah, yay! And the service is sponsor also. Ha? Milk tea bikini naman.
Okay, ano na lang. 50 na lang. Ano yung mag-ibig? 70 pesos. Pwede na yun, di ba? Hindi ka naman maselan eh.
Oh, the breakfast sponsored by Dante, Jennifer Flores,
Oh.
Armel Jesus,
So, dito na lang muna
Robin
kami.
Morales, and Arlen Verdida.
O, magbabay.
50 pesos each.
Magbabay ka na.
Pa naman yan. Ngayon lang.
Bye guys. Sign out.